Isa lang yung ingredient na kailangan mo to level up your Pinoy spaghetti.
Hello guys, Chef Elite here. Today, magluluto tayo ng isa sa mga favorite comfort food nyo, ang Pinoy-style spaghetti. To level up our Pinoy-style spaghetti, we'll be using this Delicato Prime sausage. Cheddar flavor kasi we want it cheesy, meaty. Ito na yun, all-in-one na. Kaya ilagay na natin sa red sauce natin. Bago ka sa page ko, click like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Now let's cook the red sauce. High heat pan, saute white onion, red bell peppers, garlic, and then add your ground beef. Ito yung isa sa mga classic recipe na dapat gawin nyo sa spaghetti. Once the beef is browned, add fish sauce, white pepper or any pepper, continue stirring, and then simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, add the Filipino-style spaghetti sauce. Kapag gumagawa tayo ng Pinoy-style spaghetti, we want it super cheesy. Para naman mas level up yung spaghetti natin, we'll add Delicato cheddar sausage. O diba, sausage pa lang cheesy na. Kasi premium to. Yung Pinoy-style spaghetti, typically sweet talaga. Kaya mag-add tayo ng condensed milk. Simmer and set aside.
We're done with the red sauce. Gawin na natin yung cheese sauce or yung Mornay sauce.
For the cheese sauce, gagawa lang tayo ng roux. Equal parts of flour and butter. Melt mo lang yung butter, add flour, dissolve, and mix. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes para mawala yung raw taste ng flour. Add milk and continue stirring to prevent lumps. When you combine roux and milk, this is called bechamel sauce. Kapag yung mixture is smooth and begins to thicken, you can add more milk or else magiging paste yan. Now, if you achieve the right consistency, you can add your easy melt cheese. Continue stirring until cheese is melted. I will not add any salt because cheese is already salty. I can really smell the Mornay sauce. Ito na yung magpapasarap sa Pinoy-style spaghetti, ang Delicato Prime sausage. Cheddar flavor. This is not your usual red hotdog sa. Alam nyo ba, yung casing ng sausage na to, sobrang nipis at saka malasa siya. Hindi talaga siya lasang processed.
We're done with our cheese sauce or Mornay sauce. Lutuin naman natin yung pasta. Ang bango!
For pasta, add salt to boiling water. Cook according to package instruction. Lagi natin sinasabi, cook until al dente.
So, check natin kung al dente ba yung pasta. Perfectly cooked. This is how you remove starch ng pasta. We don't want to overcook the pasta kasi i-bake pa nga natin siya. So, rinse natin with tap water. So, rinse with tap water to remove excess starch. Hindi na tayo nag-reserve ng pasta water kasi okay na yung sauce natin kanina. So, yan. Tapos na. Assemble na natin. Luto na ang ating red sauce, Mornay sauce, pasta. Ngayon, i-assemble natin sa baking tray para ma-achieve natin yung tinatawag nating baked spaghetti.
Oven safe tray, get the strained spaghetti, add spaghetti sauce. Now toss the pasta in the sauce. Then transfer na natin into a baking tray. Diba, na-level up natin yung Pinoy-style spaghetti using Delicato sausage. Add more Delicato sausages. Para mas masarap yung baked spaghetti, mag-add na rin tayo ng Mornay sauce on top. Alam nyo ba, itong Delicato Prime sausage, hindi siya masyado mahal. Affordable din siya. It's time to bake para mag-melt lalo yung cheese. I-bake mo lang sa oven for 20 minutes. This is not your ordinary Filipino-style spaghetti. Pwede nyo nga ipang business to eh. Kaya ito na ang baked Pinoy-style spaghetti with Delicato's cheddar sausages. O diba, napakadali lang gawin. Kaya kung ako sa'yo, i-check mo na tong Delicato sausage, baka maubusan ka pa.
Guys, luto na ang ating baked Filipino-style spaghetti using Delicato sausage. Kung mapansin nyo, sobrang cheesy nun sausage. Cheesy na, meaty pa. Kaya kung mahilig ka sa spaghetti at gusto mo i-level up from here to here, bumili na kayo ng Delicato sausage. Excited na ako. Try natin. Careful kasi may... Oh, sobrang cheesy niya. So good. Kung ako sa inyo, bumili na kayo ng Delicato sausage. Ang sarap.